Welcome guys. Okay guys, so let's start today our tutorial. Okay, our tutorial is about how we can download the PHP Storm, and I am also recommended you should need to download the PHP Storm and how we can install it. Today we talk about these questions. Okay, so first of all you should need to open your Chrome and type PHP Storm, okay, and hit enter. Okay, now and then you should click on that link. Okay, and also it's give you free 30-day of trial, and then you will be pay for it, you will register it. Okay, click on the download now. Okay, so it will be automatically start your download. If it doesn't automatically start it, then you should need to click on the direct link, this link. Okay, so now it's automatically started. Okay, and it almost I think 232 MB, so I should need to skip this. Okay, it's downloaded, and when it downloaded I will become again. I'm going to skip this. Okay guys, so I skipped that part, and now it have downloaded. So I'm going to double click on this icon by running this setup. Okay, say yes, and a small wizard have come, and then click on the next. Okay, now it's giving you destination folder and which folder you want to install. So I am recommended you should leave on this in this partition, in which partition you have installed your window. So you should not install on that partition. So click on the next button. Okay, now it's going to the okay, now it's have shown that it created a stop shortcut, so you should click on that 64-bit launcher, and it have also a 32-bit, so we should work on the 64-bit, and also it came the extension in which you want to programming and which extension. So now I click all the things, and then I just click on the next and JetBrains. Okay, install. So now it's going to install. Maybe it take more than 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to skip this. Okay guys, so we have successfully installed the PHP Storm. So I can click on that icon, double click at this icon, and it was started. Now it have installed. Okay guys, so a small window have appeared. Now it's giving you option if you want to create a new project, or you have also created a project, you want to open it. So you should need to click on that open, and if you want to create a new project, so I'm going to create a new project, so I can click on create new project, and here I will give the destination and also the name plus project. Okay, then I can hit the create button, and now it's loading project, and it's giving you the text of the day, so I can close it. Okay, so we have created this project. Now if I want to open the HTML, so I'm going to click on the new, and it's HTML file, and if you want to CSS file, so you can click on the CSS in JavaScript and PHP, all the things. So I can click on the HTML file, and here I'm giving the name first project. Okay, and I can click on OK. Okay, now it's have open, and also it give you the structure of the HTML. So you should need to download it because it's very user friendly. How it's user friendly, so let me show you something. Okay, so I just add the exclamatory, and I can click the tab button, so the whole HTML structure is appear automatically. Okay, and another shortcut is when we can click something like a dev.star, I click the tab button, so it's also give me the structure of the div and the style. Okay, so it gives class the style. Okay, let me just remove this, and here I will add the h1. Okay, and I can enter the first project. Okay, and also when you can just start the when you can click in this style, you just enter the equal, so it will drop down menu will be appear, and it will like a lot of properties which you want to add. So I think the background color is also user friendly, so you should need to download this, you should break this, and also it gives the run aqua. Okay, and how you will be run this, so you can click on that Google Chrome. So now it will run on Google Chrome. Okay, so you are watching I run this on Chrome, and let me just minimize this. And if you want to change the font, because its font text is really little, so you want it bigger, and so you want the color of the font, so go to the file and go to setting, just find the setting. Okay, so here the window have appeared. Now I just click on the appearance, menus, toolbars, file covers, everything you want to change, so you can click on this, and you should with your own interface. Okay, so if you want to change color and font, so you can click on the editor and also click on the color and font. Okay, so I want to font, so its size is 12. I will recommend you do 16. It's pretty enough. Okay, so console color and how it can look, so you can change it, and also the console font, so I think it's 12 enough. Okay, CSS, and there have a lot of things you want to comma. Okay, it will change the CSS text about which you want to add it. It depends on you what you will be look. It will look pretty for you. So I can click, so the text is bigger. Okay, so see you, so guys, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.